Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another GreenLight unboxing. This time we have dually drivers Series 12. Now I got this sealed case from AVS Diecast. I got my paper right here. Alex, all right, you can find him at avsdiecast.com. He's at AVS Diecast on Instagram. And this is actually my second order from him. Well packed, orders of $49 or more now ship free. And he was kind enough, check this out, to provide a code here. So first time shoppers on his website get 10% off $20 or more utilizing this very cool Bearded Mug 10 code, obviously professionally written on this piece of paper here. I'll also put a link somewhere between my fingers here so you can utilize that. Check out his website. He's got competitive prices. I like to spread the wealth when it comes to purchasing GreenLight cases, and for the last couple, he's really come in pretty solid. So I'm gonna keep supporting him as well. So let's get to dually driver Series 12. Hopefully the thunder doesn't disrupt too much, and we'll see what we got. Okay, so first up, it's not a green machine. As you can see, it's got a normal base. This is the 2018 Chevy Silverado 3500 dually tire service truck in Michelin livery. This is a new attachment up top here, this little rack, and it looks like it's got the power lift gate in the back. I think that's different on the utility body here. It's got some decent heft to it, and up top looks like it has extra tires as well. Pretty neat. Let's take a look at this. It's got tinted windows, listing the service centers from Michelin on the door. Always a nice touch there. And looks pretty good from here. Now once I crack it open, it's a different story, but the lights are a little wonky, but this casting is always kind of awkward in my opinion. Anyway, moving on. We have the 1985 Dodge Ram W350 Power Ram dually flatbed. Got all that? So this is the new casting, or newer casting I should say. It's got a metal base there, which is great. It's got the dual wheels in the back, and it is pretty, it's pretty nice. It's got that ubiquitous flatbed there that they've kind of attached to a bunch of different cabs. It's got the different grill in the front. Presumably that's an 85 grill. It says Dodge across the front of the hood. And looks good. Looks like the wheels are on. Maybe the front's a little jacked up suspension wise. You can see there, right there, to kind of lift it with the 350, right? All right, let's see what else. So we have the 1967 Chevrolet C30 dually wrecker. This is NYPD. This is the NYPD colors from the late 60s here. GreenLight also issued a, what'd they do? They did an original Bronco on this, and they did a Chevy Biscayne, right? That was a hobby exclusive in a little box. So this is pretty neat. Oh, and they did the retro Ford Taurus as well. Cool. See, that tire's all screwed up. Tire's off the wheel. If you can see it there. That's all right. That should be an easy fix. Pop it right back on. I say that now, of course. Well, let's keep moving. All right. Here's another 2018 Chevy Silverado 3500 dually service bed. This is the Florida Department of Transportation. It's a Road Ranger. I thought this was pretty neat. As far as this, it's kind of the things you see on the turnpike, right? You get a flat tire and they come out. It's a pretty cool Road Ranger in the back there. And let's just compare it to the service. Oh, it's actually different. Okay, so I stand corrected. As you can see, that part goes up a little higher. Wonder if it's all one piece. I guess we'll find out once I open it. All right, let's see, 2 more to go. There's a new F350. It's a 2018 F350 dually. Providence, Rhode Island Police Department. It's a mounted unit, right? So it's the horse patrol. And this one has a metal chassis. This casting is unique in that sometimes it has plastic chassis and sometimes it has a metal chassis. So this time it is metal. Pretty cool there. No license plate on the back. It's got the black arches in the front, which is unusual. Neat. And then the last one, last chance for a green machine. Let's see if it's gonna be one. No. Okay. So this is a 2021 Ram 3500 dually tire service truck in Goodyear. So this is similar to, where'd the Chevy go? This Chevy version looks like it's gonna be the same bed there. Which I wonder if, no, that's probably a plastic chassis. Anyway, pretty sharp. It's got a little crooked tilt to it. But that is all right. Looks like it's got a window in the back. Cool. All right, so again, this is GreenLight Dually Drivers Series 12. Courtesy, I shouldn't say courtesy, I purchased it from AVS Diecast. You can find them on Instagram, AVS Diecast, and on the web, avsdiecast.com. And that is about it for me. Check out my other unboxing videos, and we'll see you again with the next one.